And over towards the inside, Fountain Court and Larker caught away well. So was Tresaro, together again, ridden out with a whip on the inside. Hay Eyes up near the leaders with Cossack Prince, and Cool Rivers working up to join the leaders on the outside. They're followed then by Forward Charge, Triumphal March and Noble Heights. Homemade the outside from Kiamara. Then Shaynu, Nostradamus, Veloso and Amaranth and Wholesome last. Cossack Prince in front out of the straight. Led a little over length to Hay Eye, trying to get a position on the course. And in third placing over on the inside, Larker caught a half length together again, a length and a half Tresaro and Cool River. There followed a length for the back, Homemade wide from Fountain Court and Triumphal March the rails, a length Forward Charge, Noble Heights. One to Kiamara, followed then by Shaynu. Next is Veloso, Wholesome the rails from Nostradamus and Amaranth last. They're not going very quickly at the 1600, and Hay Eye took over. Led a length and a half to Cossack Prince, pulling a length together again. Larker caught fourth the fence. About a length and a half further back in the field, then came Tresaro on the inside of Cool River, and they were followed by Fountain Court, and they've slowed right up going up the hill. Then came Homemade out wide, a length Triumphal March, Wholesome over on the inside of Noble Heights. Then came Forward Charge on the outside from Kiamara, length Nostradamus, Shaynu, Amaranth and last Veloso. On top of the hill, 1200 out, Hay Eye, 3 parts to Cossack Prince. About a length further back in third placing, together again from Cool River, who's had a nice run. Larker caught the rails, a length to Homemade, and then Fountain Court, a length further back, Tresaro pulling from Forward Charge, Shaynu. Triumphal March is in that bunch, and then a length to Wholesome and Nostradamus, followed by Noble Heights, Amaranth and last Veloso. Coming down to the 900 now, and Hay Eye a half length to Cossack Prince. A length to Cool River going up on the outside with Homemade. A length further back, Larker caught. Shaynu coming into it wide round the outside, and then Kiamara hard ridden. Next Tresaro looking for a run. Fountain Court struggling. Nostradamus going around the outside. Triumphal March commencing to make a bit of ground from Wholesome and Noble Heights. On the turn, 500 out, Hay Eye a half length, Cossack Prince who's flat. Two to Larker kept running on well. Shaynu struggling from Kiamara. Cool River can't go on. Here's Tresaro coming into it from Triumphal March, but it's Hay Eye in front into the straight. Led a length to Cossack Prince and Larker get on. They've kicked right away from the others, headed by Tresaro. Hay Eye is going strongly at the 200. A length to Cossack Prince from Larker get. The others can't win, but Hay Eye is hanging on to his lead from Cossack Prince. In fact, he's increasing it, and Hay Eye drawing right away in the concluding stages. Almost an all-the-way victory to Hay Eye by 3 lengths. Second placing, close Cossack Prince, and those in front of Larker caught third.
And that